guys, it's me, Celeste. Welcome back to my channel and let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. It's going to be a how to get rid of your unwanted face hair video. So I know that a lot of females struggle with this, and it's so funny to me because I remember when I was a kid, I would always make fun of my mom because she had little chin hairs and stuff, and I would make fun of her. And now fast forward, I'm 24 years old and I have chin hairs, so it's just karma is up. Beep. But yeah, so I was at HEB the other day and I saw this product. It is the, let's see, it doesn't really, okay, there we go. It's the Sally Hansen Eyebrow, Face, and Lip Wax Kit. And I was like, I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So I'm gonna cut, you guys can't really see, but I have little baby chin hairs in here. Yeah, it's not cute. And I don't know, I go get my nails and I'm sometimes I want to just go up to them and be like, can you just wax it off? But I'm embarrassed to do it. I don't know. And I know everybody struggles with it or has different struggles, so I shouldn't be embarrassed, but I am. So that's just the reality of it. So I was I feel more comfortable doing this at home by myself in the privacy of my own bathroom. That's where we are right now, in my restroom. So yeah, let's get started and see if this actually works. So it comes with the microwavable face and eyebrow. This is supposed to go in the microwave. It has some extra smooth, extra care lotion. I guess after you take it off, you use that. Has a little sticker and some instructions. And it also has if you want to do your eyebrows. I get my eyebrows threaded, so I'm not about to do that and be out here with no eyebrows. So I'm definitely not going to try this on my eyebrows, but I am going to try it on my chin area because that's where she has the most struggles. So yeah, let's get started. So it doesn't really come with instructions. Well, it does, but they're it's a really thick packet. So I wish I had the Spark Notes. Y'all remember in high school when you had to read a long book, you just go to Barnes and Noble and get the Spark Notes? Well, I did because she's lazy and she didn't have time to read and all that. But anyways, let's go. So it says microwave drop for 90 seconds at high. Do not exceed 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go microwave this and I will be right back to show you guys what it looks like after it's been microwaved. So I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so I just got it out of the microwave and the instructions say to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds, but that did not work. I had to put it in for 3 minutes. So this is what it kind of looks like, because you're supposed to stick this stick in and try to make sure it's a smooth consistency to put on your face. So yeah, now I'm gonna apply it. I just washed my face because it says to make sure you wash your face and to apply it. I hope this is not too hot. There's no steam coming from it. Oh my god, this is gonna be horrible because if this is really hot, I'm about to embarrass myself in front of the whole world. Oh. Okay, it's not too hot. It actually feels good. I'm trying to look at myself in the mirror in front of me. But I feel like this is gonna hurt when I pull it off. Let me put some. They definitely need a bigger little spatula thingy. That ain't gonna work. Put it on this side. Oh, this side went on a lot better. I think I'm getting a little too far. Okay, let me get a little. This is really messy. I think I'll just try the waxing strips next time because oh, y'all, it's already ah! Okay, that piece didn't work. Let me get back up in there. I didn't know y'all couldn't see me. Let me just do it in the camera. Okay, just let it smooth it on in there. Let me try to get this little. This is such a hot mess. This I don't know what they was thinking with this. It's a hot mess. Look like spotted legs everywhere. Okay, that's just gonna have to do. And it says once it feels hard, you're supposed to pull it off. And y'all, I don't think this is gonna work. Because I don't think this is gonna work, but we gonna see. It's starting to feel hard. Let's see. I think it. Oh! Oh! This shit hurts. Ah! It says you're supposed to just. Oh! This is so hurt. I don't even see. I see one hair. One. Is he gonna focus? One freaking hair out of all that. It shit hurt. Hey. Oh my god. Look at the. Oh! Okay, let me just rip it. Oh, shit. Y'all, it literally only pulled 1, 2, 3 hairs. Like, no ma'am. This did not work. Fail. Definite fail. I don't know about that. I guess I'm gonna have to try like some waxing strips, because that wax, no ma'am. And it says it's the #1 waxing brand, so maybe I need to try a different product by them. But this was a fail. No ma'am. Definitely would not recommend this. But I am gonna go to the store and try to find some more, and I'll update you guys. But y'all just saw that did nothing. Like, I feel like the hairs are still there. It said to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. That did not work. I had to microwave it for like 3 minutes, and it still wasn't really that hot. And all of that for 3 hairs, like I have about 39 million. So, I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. But yeah, if you guys know some products that you use at home, let me know, and I would love to review them for you guys. See you later. Bye.